Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9th exercise 1.4 question number first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about visualization of 3.765 on number line with successive magnification. Clear? It means I want to describe the position of 3.765 on number line. Clear? It means I want visualize real number with terminating decimal expansion on number line. Clear? No confusion about question? Very good. I want to describe about integers and number line. Firstly, I want to describe about integers. What is integers? You know, integers is the combination of whole number with negative of natural number. Clear? Combination of whole number with negative of natural number is called integers. Clear? When we write integers on a line, it become a number line. Number line and integer is clear. It is very easy. Number line and integers is very easy. Clear? No confusion. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. Clear? Very good. See the board. NCERT number system class 9th exercise 1.4 question number first. Visualize 3.765 on number line using successive magnification. Using successive magnification. Clear? Solution. Visualization of 3.765 on number line by successive magnification. Question is clear? Draw a number line. Draw number line. Clear? Here 3.765 on number line between 3 and 4. It is clear? 3.765 between 3 and 4 on a number line. It is clear? Very good. Now you divide the distance between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts. Clear? Divide it into 10 equal parts. Clear? Here 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Here 4. Clear? You divide the distance between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts. Clear? It means you find 3.7 and 3.8 on number line. It means 3.765 between 3.7 and 3.8. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Now you draw another number line and put 3.7 and 3.8 on number line. Here 3.7 and here 3.8. Clear? It means 3.765 between 3.7 and 3.8. Clear? Now you divide the distance between 3.7 and 3.8 into 10 equal parts. Clear? Divide the distance between 3.7 and 3.8 into 10 equal parts. Here 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and here 3.8. Clear? you find the point 3.76 and 3.77 on number line. Here 3.76 and here 3.77 on number line. It means 3.765 between 3.76 and 3.77. Clear? It is clear. You find very easily your position. Clear? Now you draw number line and put 3.76 and 3.77 on number line. Here 3.76 and here 3.77. Clear? 3.765 between 3.76 and 3.77. It means you divide distance between 3.76 and 3.77 into 10 equal parts. Clear? You divide the distance between 3.76 and 3.77 into 10 equal parts. Clear? Here 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and here 3.77. You find 3.765 on number line between 3.76 and 3.77. It means you find your answer. This 3.765, 3.765 on number line. It means you visualize 3.765 by using successive magnification on number line. Clear? You find your answer very easily. Very good. Okay. In this way you can visualize any number on number line with the help of this solution. Clear? Very good. Okay.